Hey everybody. We are looking at ER verbs in French. They're the most common verb category. Let's learn how to conjugate them and most importantly, how to pronounce them. ER verbs follow a pattern. The pattern is E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. So how do you apply the pattern? You start with the verb, for example, regarder. You chop off the ER or cross it out or slice it off, whatever, discard it, and you end up with regarde like that, and you add the endings, these endings. And you end up with something that looks like this. Do you see how the endings are applied? We've got the E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. So you would do the same thing to all ER verbs. You chop off the ER, and what you've ended up with is the stem. Okay? So back to regarder, let's look at how it's conjugated. Je regarde, tu regardes, il regarde, il regarde. So I did those out of order, didn't I? But not really. We have this thing that we call the boot. Can you see this lovely boot applied over regarder? The forms that fit inside the boot have verbs that all sound the same. Regarde, 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 regarde. So, regarder, that ER sounds like E. Regarder. And so does the EZ. That sounds like E. Vous regardez. Regardez, regardez. Regardons. On. ONS sounds like on. So let's go back and look. Regardez. Je regarde. Tu regardes. Il regarde. Nous regardons. Vous regardez. Il regarde. How about a different verb? Parler, to talk, to speak. Parler, 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 parlons. Okay, now let's conjugate it and observe how it sounds inside the boot. Parler, je parle, tu parles, il parle. Nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle. Did you notice that il parle sounds just like il parle, il parle, il parle. Everything inside the boot, the verb sounds the same. Parle. Rigoler. Remember, rigoler. Rigoler, to laugh, to joke around. Je rigole, tu rigoles, il rigole, nous rigolons, vous rigolez, il rigole. Everything inside the boot sounds like rigole. Manger. Je mange, tu manges, il mange, nous mangeons. What was that? Nous mangeons? Why is there an E there? If we didn't have the E, it would sound like nous mangons, because O's and A's make G's and C's sound hard, and we can't have that. So we need that E in there to make sure the G sounds soft. Nous mangeons, vous mangez, il mange. Now some verbs don't fit into the boot. It doesn't work. ER verbs don't fit into the boot sometimes. So why doesn't this verb, écouter, to listen or to listen to, why doesn't it fit into the boot? Let's listen. Écouter, écouter, écoutons. Okay, great. We understand that écouter sounds like écouter. The ER, ER and EZ sound the same. We've figured that out now. Écoutons. Let's look. J'écoute. Tu écoutes. Il écoute. So far, so good, right? Nous écoutons. Did you hear that liaison from the S? Nous écoutons. Vous écoutez. Ils écoutent. Il écoute. Ils écoutent. Il écoute. Ils écoutent. We can't put the boot there because ils écoutent does not sound like il écoute. Il écoute. Ils écoutent. Habiter. Il habite. Ils habitent. Habiter means to live. Il habite. Ils habitent. Arriver, to arrive. Il arrive. ils arrivent. Il arrive, ils arrivent. Aimer. Il aime, ils aiment. Il aime, ils aiment. So these are the ER verbs that start with a vowel or H. Habiter, écouter, étudier, arriver, aimer, adorer, il achète or acheter. Now, I'm sorry, these are not the only ER verbs that start with a vowel or H, but these are the ones that you've been learning. So why don't those verbs fit in the boot? Because they start with a vowel or H, there's a liaison with the il or elle plural forms, and that changes the way they sound. Hence, il écoute, ils écoutent, il arrive, ils arrivent, elle habite, elles habitent. If it doesn't start with a vowel or H, you can't tell the difference. You don't know if I'm talking about one person when I say il, or more than one person when I say il. So listen, il regarde, they sound the same. Elle regarde, So let's practice pronouncing. Nous regardons, vous quittez. So pronounce after me. Nous regardons, vous quittez. Je regarde le prof. Elle quitte la maison. Il aime l'algèbre. Tu détestes le chocolat. Il déteste le chocolat. Il déteste le chocolat. You see what I'm doing there? Il déteste le chocolat. Il déteste le chocolat. Il déjeune. Elle passe un examen. Elle passe un examen. Il mange. Elle rigole. La fin.